Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine, students. Today we will start our lesson number 7 for social studies for grade 5, and the topic is from weather to climate. You have to open your page number 12. Okay, we will discuss the climate of Pakistan. Pakistan is located approximately between 37 degree north to 24 degree north. Since it is close to the tropic of Cancer, the sun's rays fall fairly directly on it. Pakistan records mostly high temperatures and is counted among the hotter countries of the world. However, the climate varies between the different physical regions of Pakistan because they are located at different altitudes, latitudes, and different distance from the sea level. Okay, Pakistan is basically hot, has a hot climate because of the nearness to the Tropic of Cancer, but it also experiences other climatic conditions because of the different latitudes, altitude, and distance from the sea level. Okay, now let's see the mountainous regions of Pakistan and what sort of climate they experience. The mountainous regions are located at high altitude. In these areas, winters are extremely cold and extend from October to April. Okay, they has long winters and extremely cold. The temperature often stays below freezing minus 0 degree. Okay, precipitation is also in the form of snow. Summer temperatures are warm. From May to August are the summer months. The hottest months are June and July. There is a good rainfall in summer which reduces the heat. People mostly enjoy their life in summers, okay, because the winters are very cold. The next is the plains region. In the plains region, summers are not only hot but long. Okay, in mountainous regions, the uh, winters were very cold and long. In plains, summers are very hot and long, lasting from March to October. The hottest months are June and July, with temperatures reaching 45 degrees centigrade. Dust storms and thunderstorms are common. Often very hot winds called Lu Lu. Okay, Lu blows. People usually stop outward work during the hottest part of the day. There is not much rainfall in this region. Farmers have to irrigate their crops. Winters are mild with temperatures ranging from 10 degree to 12 21 degree. January is the coolest month. Okay. Okay, there is also a map over here of Pakistan climatic regions. You can see the color schemes and check out the areas: arid, semi arid, humid, and highland, and how the weather conditions are. For example, the first one, arid, hot summer, mild winter, and you can see the colors. It includes the areas of Balochistan and Sindh. Next is warm summer, mild winter. This is also in, you can see Karachi in the Sindh area, lower part of the Sindh, towards the Arabian Sea, near to the Arabian Sea. The next is warm summer, cool winter, the area of Punjab. Okay, you can check all these areas. Okay, the next is the desert region. In the desert region, it seldom rains. बहुत कम rain होती है. Summers are hot and dry with hot and dusty winds blowing throughout. Winters are extremely with the temperature going below 0 degree. In summer, the temperature goes over 50 degrees centigrade. Okay, so the desert regions are very hot. In the coastal region, there is a little rainfall. The temperature is mild both in summer and winter. Winter is pleasant, but it is very short, extending from December to February. Winters are very short. Okay. Sometimes cold, dry winds blow from Balochistan, which causes the temperature to fall. Summer lasts from April to October. Okay, the summer section is very long and the winter section is short. In the Plateau region, there is hot summer and mild winter. Summer lasts from April to October with temperature going over 40 degrees centigrade. In winters, the temperature remains close to 10 degrees centigrade. There is considerable rainfall through it, is more in summer than in winter. Okay, both summers and winters, and rainfall is also good. Pakistan receives monsoon rains from July to September, but these are not very heavy, as by the time monsoon winds reach Pakistan after crossing India, they have lost most of their moisture. Nevertheless, the monsoon accounts for most of the rainfall in Pakistan. Now let's see the climate, how climate affect the way we live. Climate affect the clothes we wear, the food we eat, the games we play, and the place where we live. Most people choose to live in the place that have a moderate climate. Okay, agriculture is greatly affected by climate. Cultivation of certain crops depend on the right amounts of rainfall and sunshine and suitable temperatures. For example, Kharif crop needs strong sunshine and warm temperature of summer. The Rabi crop, snow in winter, need cooler temperature and less rainfall. Okay, in climate effect in different ways. We in cold climate we wear warm clothes, and in hot climate we wear very thin clothes because we feel the warm. So there's an other example in according to the agriculture, we need different climatic conditions for different crops. In Kharif, we need strong sunshine and temperature, warm temperature, and in Rabi crops, we need winter, we need cooler temperature and less rainfall. So climate affect our lives deeply. Okay, kids, in case of any query, you are welcome to send a text on school's contact number. We will address your queries there. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.